Hello everybody, I am Shrantal, the creator of ApoTHEOSeS. Today I will show you how to use the color picker. Now in my new HUD, I often offer this option to apply over any of your texture. It's easy to use it, but let me show you. First, I will add the new journal. I create the new version V3 of my luminescence. So I had the box, the delivery box. I will click and I will accept the box. I right click to detach. Now I can take the main box and put it on the folder to don't lose it, or put on security folder for all my copyable delivery box. If I need to have it back, it's easy to find. Well, so first of all, it's a journal. If I need to resize or fix, first of all, I need to go to the post stand. You have two ways. You go on the post stand on World, or if you are in the place you cannot raise a post stand or not nearby, you can go on your Firestone Future. You click Avatar, Post stand. You will have a post stand menu. You can choose, click, and as you want, you can choose the position to fix the journal. I think this position is the best. Okay? Or if you go on the post stand, you just click to go into the post stand if you got one. So let's add the journal first. Right click. Don't wear it, because if you wear, sometimes you can make disappear another part of your clothes. So just add it. I had the bracelet, the left earring, and the right earring. First, you will need to resize it as the best place. So I'll just adjust it already to my avatar, but to resize it, it's easy. You touch. If you go on World, sometimes you touch yourself. It's not good, because the avatar size, you go over the journal. To do it, you go into your folder, you right click and you touch. You will have the menu to resize. You click the percent you need, and when it's fixed, to move it, you just right click, you edit, and you can move it. Don't be too much inside the body, just a little bit above. Okay, so when it's all resized, to don't have the menu to resize it, keep it going, you click on the option and you delete. You say yes. Like this, you will not be bothered anymore with the resize script. But you have to do it for each piece of the journal. Okay? Now we're going to use the HUD. You had it. Move it. Into the HUD, you got three kinds of metal you can choose. So you can choose the copper. Before click another kind, just take a minute to change all the color into the metal. If you notice, as soon I have resized the journal and I touch it, it's become not full bright. If you want it full bright, you just right click and you touch back. You will toggle full bright again. If you don't want, you touch back, it will not be full bright, as you wish. For make it full bright, it will take a minute too, because it's got a lot of pieces to be linked. This journal, they are done with a very low script. Sometimes the complexity can be a little bit higher, but it's no problem with the lag if the script count is low. And I really put the more lower I can do for this, so it's not for see your script count. You go on Avatar, avatar help, and you can go to script. You will see 4,000 for all what I wear with the jowl, the dress hair. It's nothing at all. So it's very good for the lag. Now let's go back. To choose, you have the texture, the gem 2, gem 3. So you can just click to have a texture, the new color. This will change everywhere. Okay? You want blue, you put blue. The second one is the sign. You click, and you can click for change the color. For the diamond, you can pick up for pink or dark blue, pale blue, as you wish. Now it's copper, so it will be nice to have a color like orange. Or maybe like that. Okay. So you can have gold too. So you just click gold. I'm gonna go a little bit more close. You will see the color. Okay. Now we can notice. So we can go on the color too. We choose for the gold. As you wish. It's up to you. Sometimes it's nice to go just on the opposite with the gold. The colors change with the gold. It's opposite color, make it very special. But as I wear the majestic gown, it's not full. Add now, all the flex is not on all. So I will choose the red, but it's up to you. And I prefer silver for this. And put diamond there. Now it's cute. Okay. Now let's try to use the color picker as it should be for the video. Click on the color tab and you will get to the color picker. Okay. The color picker, it's easy to, it's afraid a lot of people to learn because it's look very complicated, but it's not at all. You have a kind of cross. Okay. This is where you want to choose the color. If you want a blue, you click the cross, go there. But if you are not sure, you can just go and take your finger down on the left button of your mouse and just slide it to choose the color. You will see into the box, the little box, gem 1, gem 2, gem 3, the colors will appear. More you go down, less you're gonna have pigment into your color. More you raise it, more the pigment will be very, very, very strong. For children, they love its strong color. They stimulate. But sometimes look more cartoon if you go too strong. Sometimes, if you want to just have a little color over a gem, you don't want it too much strong because it will be awful. So it's better to keep your choice there. For example, we got a red and we want to put it more book going. So let's go try a red a little bit. Like that. And there you got your shadow. It's the level of the darkness. So we can choose like that. But don't worry, you can just clear the color if you make a wrong choice. So as soon as you choose a color, you can try. So let's try gem 2. Gem 1, it's the big one. Gem 2, it's here. And the gem 3, it's the diamond. This diamond cannot be color. I leave it white. It's question of choice. So let's go apply to the gem 2. If we want to over gem 1, it's going to be more dark. If you want more dark, you can apply. You see, it's dark burgundy. This gem we want to be more red, so let's click on the red. There, and gem 2. Because it was white, it's going to be, if I click on the blue, it's just applied there. Why? Because it's gem 2. If I click on gem 3, This will apply on the gem 3. You see it's very, very dark. I don't need it. I just clear here the color. Each gem one by one. If I go to the texture, I use the white for the gem 1. The white here. Here it's a little bit blue color, if you can see. So the white, it will be a little bit like a more gray. And gem 3, it's white too. Okay? All is white. So if you go to the color, you can have any color you wish for any gem. So, for example, we want turquoise. This will be turquoise. On gem 2, for example, we want more dark. We click, it's more dark. On the gem 3, we want more light. Like that, gem 3. You see? So you can have infinity of color. Because it's white, the base, you're gonna have exactly the color you choose. Okay? I clear to put it back. But if I go to the texture, for example, and I choose the pink, okay? Gonna choose this one, it's a little bit darker. Okay, now I choose pink color. And I want to put the color over. I go to the color and I say, oh, this is a lovely blue. I want this blue on my main gem. It's the one. I click. Well, it's not really. It's a little bit darker. If I want, for example, green, I apply. It will be green and pink melt. If I go on yellow, it will be yellow with pink melt. Why? Because the base. If I go to the gem number 2, you can see the base is pink and the color it's yellow. It's a mix between the base of the texture and the color you apply, because the texture is the main color always. The color picker just add over the texture you have choose on the texture tab. The color is not gonna erase the texture, is just apply over the main texture. So if you apply a color, it will be over the main texture. Any color you use, for example, I take black, I take dark, and I take red. You say, why it's yellow? Because on the old color was yellow choose. It's awful, but it's just to show you. To don't have the effect of yellow, just clear. And it will reset to the main color. So, to be sure you are really on the main color of the texture, just click at the base and you will have all white. This is make you sure. But you cannot broke the system. You can clear every time and you can just add and reset. Here is your shader. Don't forget you click. For example, I have white. I want a little bit more gray. I put it like that. I want like that. So I can make really a nice gel set as I wish. No need to be bothered by the choice of the creator. You are the own creator now. It's fun to play. Well, there it's your saving color. If you have a specified color you prefer, like for example, I go on the very dark pink. Okay. I can click on the any box. This is white because it's not used. I can save. The color is there. If I want to apply, you click, you load, and you apply on the gem you want. But you say it was already there. Why is load? Because it was applied. So we choose gold, we load, it's gonna go on the box and you apply. So it will apply. Okay? If, for example, I want to change this color, I don't need it anymore. Just click the color you want. For example, green. Okay? You click here. You save. It's gonna go over the color you have saved before. Okay? You want to apply, for example, this color. You load and you apply. You apply. Okay. The menu also have clean. You have the RGB. Okay. You can choose the RGB, but the RGB color, it's the color you have already choose somewhere else. For example, I will create a box. I will put it blank, and from my color picker I will choose one color, for example this gold. Okay. You got the RGB there. The red is 144, 102, 41, so you can put it there. You have 30 seconds, so you put 144, after it's 102, after it's 41, and you submit. I think I was too slow. Again, the color is 144, 102, and 41. You see? Now the color goes straight away on my gem. And I can apply. So like this, you are sure you get the color you have somewhere else if you got the RGB. Okay? You click to have the RGB, you submit, and that's it. And also this color, after you can save it if you want. So I will ignore it. No, I no need. So I will clear. That's it. So this is the way to use the jowl, how to fix them, how to use the color picker. And I hope it was very useful for you. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day. Goodbye.